Against Padmini Raut. She's a WGM, of course, and she was playing from Airport Authority of India, and it was a very crucial game for us. We reached this position after a lot of maneuvering, so we both were short of time by now. And it looks like completely winning for black, but I had no time, that was the problem. And here actually I went into a blind spot because it was very important that I win this game. I did not know the results on the third and fourth board, but I saw the second board next to me was already minus, so I thought I must win or something. And I got into a blind spot thinking bishop e2, and so basically whenever I take the g4 pawn, I was thinking that she already takes on h6 and she still has the h5 pawn and it will be anyway draw. So I was not sure whether I should play bishop c4 or bishop e2, and I thought maybe I can go bishop e2 and try for some bishop d3 and c4. That was the idea, but obviously for bishop e2 white just plays king f5, and now there is no bishop d3 because of this check, and it's nothing. I think the right move here was c4, and she takes, and basically I reached the same position as in the game with the move up, and now I can play this move and just cut off her knight first instead of taking up the pawns, and my d4 pawn just moves forward, because for knight f4, which I think is the only move here, I think knight g4 simply loses to bishop e4 or even bishop g4. So knight f4, king e3, king f5, and bishop e4, king e5, and here d3 or king f3, both are winning. And okay, I did not go for this. I think it was quite a forced line, so if I had just gone for first c4 instead of bishop e2, I would have got the whole point, but I chose this move. This unfortunately does not win because okay, there is a pawn. So white plays king f5, c4, take, king c4, king g6. This is already a fortress because the king reaches this pawn on time, and we maneuvered a lot here because okay, I basically wanted to bring my bishop to e4 here, and with kings on c3, with king on d2 actually, with her king on d6, which is simply impossible. So after a lot of maneuvering, I think we just agreed for a draw. Yeah, but we managed to win the round, so I was